Hello guys, let's do the project of toll tax system using an Arduino UNO kit. For this project we require ultrasonic sensor, this Arduino UNO kit, breadboard and this servo motor, and for connecting purpose we use here a jumper wire. So let's do the connection. First connect this breadboard to the Arduino UNO. So positive connected to the 5-volt supply and the negative wire terminal is also connected to the negative and the trigger pin goes to the end of the Arduino. Connected to the pin number 5 and servo motor pin is connected to the pin number 9. So these connections as per our program. Okay, so let's upload the program on this Arduino UNO kit. So this is our program. If you selected this pin number 6, after compiling done, go to the sketch and upload the program on Arduino UNO kit. So it is compiling process is done, and after compiling, uploading process is here. So when the program is uploaded, so after uploading the program on Arduino UNO kit, our project is working like this.